Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to add an American Express card to your PayPal account. Whether you're new to online payments or just switching up your cards, this step-by-step process will have you set up in no time. PayPal is a super convenient way to handle transactions, and adding your Amex card can make shopping even easier, as long as it's accepted. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. If you don't have one, head over to the PayPal website or app and create an account. It's free and quick. Once you're in, look for the Wallet section, usually found on the top menu or under your profile. This is where you manage your payment methods. Next, click on Add a Card, or something similar, like Link a Bank or Card. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. For your American Express card, you'll need to input the card number, which is typically 15 digits long, the expiration date, the CVV code on the back, and your name as it appears on the card. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. PayPal is pretty strict about accuracy. After you submit the information, PayPal might ask you to verify the card. This could involve a small temporary hold on your account or linking it through your bank's app. If you run into any issues, like an error message saying the card isn't supported, remember that not all cards work everywhere, but Amex is generally compatible with PayPal. Just ensure your card is active and has no restrictions. Once verified, your American Express card should appear in your PayPal wallet. You're all set to use it for purchases. This whole process usually takes just a few minutes, but it's a game changer for seamless online shopping. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time. Happy shopping!